Shalom and welcome to the Biblical Hebrew Challenge. My name is Magdalena, and on this channel I like to upload videos in which I share what I have been learning in Biblical Hebrew. I am currently studying with the Israel Institute of Biblical Studies. So just a few months ago, I was able to successfully complete the first level of Biblical Hebrew. I had 30 lessons, and for each lesson I had a vocabulary list of 15 words. So in total, I had to memorize no more and no less than 450 words. I am going to share all of these words here on this channel, and I will be making 30 videos with each of my vocabulary lists. So stay tuned and learn these words with me. So let me share with you the very first 15 words out of the 450 that I had to learn for the first level of Biblical Hebrew. We are going to start with a group of nouns. And the first noun is ach. Ach. Ach means brother. Ach. The next noun is em. Em. Em means mother. Em. The next noun is har. Har. Har means mountain or hill. Har. The next word is lechem. Lechem. Lechem means bread or food. The next noun is nahar. Nahar. Nahar means stream or river. The next word is na'ar. Na'ar. Na'ar means lad or young man. Notice how the accent falls on the first syllable. It's na'ar and not like nahar. In nahar, the accent falls on the last syllable, but in na'ar, the accent is on the first. So, this we read as na'ar. The next noun is ner. Ner. Ner means lamp. Ner. The next word is am. Am. Am means nation or people. Now we are going to have one proper noun. Aram. Aram. Aram is Aram, which is Syria from the old times. Aram. Now some prepositions. El. El. El means two or two words. El. Min. Min. Min means from. Min. Al. Al. Al means upon. Al. Now, one negative particle. This is very important. Lo. Lo. Lo means no. When you want to say no, no, you say lo, lo in Hebrew. So how do you say no? Lo. Verbs. There's only 2 verbs in the first vocabulary list. Amar. Amar. Amar means he said. Amar. Ra'a. Ra'a. Ra'a means he saw. And this was my very first vocabulary list. If you are just getting started with Biblical Hebrew, then I recommend you to read these complete beginner vocabulary lists because they will be of great help for you to learn how to read step by step every word and to learn how to pronounce it properly. So stay tuned. I will be posting 30 videos in total. This was video number 1 out of the 30. If this was useful to you, then give the video a like. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Shalom, and I'll see you next time.